Let me show you the perfect way to respond when a woman gives you a hug. Most men don't realize that a hug can mean more than just a friendly gesture or casual hello. Sometimes it's a hidden sign of attraction. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 6 common types of hugs and what your response should be, so you never miss a chance to connect again. See, a hug isn't always as innocent as it looks. In the world of attraction, a woman's hug can be a subtle test, a quiet invitation to get closer, show confidence, or even reveal her feelings without saying a word. The issue is, most guys don't recognize these signs. They either ignore them, misread them, or pull away too soon, giving off signals like fear, disinterest, or awkwardness. That's how powerful moments get lost. A hug speaks louder than words if you know how to read it. Things like how long it lasts, how close she leans in, and where her hands rest. All of these reveal more than you think. So let's break it down and help you respond like a confident, grounded man. 1. The polite pat. This is the most basic form of a hug. It's short, light, and often comes with a few quick pats on the back. There's barely any chest contact, and it usually feels a bit formal. She might lean in slightly, but it ends just as quickly. If she hugs you like this, it's a clear sign she sees you as a friend or acquaintance. Nothing romantic, at least not yet, but don't write it off. This is where attraction begins for many guys, by showing emotional strength and being fun to be around. Use this as a chance to create chemistry and build a deeper bond. 2. The solid hold. This hug feels different. It's firmer, more grounded, and lasts a little longer. There's real pressure in the arms, and it feels more deliberate. It's not just a polite hello, it shows she's comfortable with you, maybe even starting to feel a stronger connection. Don't rush this moment. Hold the hug just a bit longer than expected, just enough to show you're grounded, not needy. Then watch what she does next. If she stays relaxed, holds your gaze, or smiles softly afterward, she's responding to your presence. This is your green light to deepen the connection, slowly and confidently. 3. The long embrace. Now we're entering deeper territory. This kind of hug lasts longer than normal. She's not in a hurry to let go. If her body softens against yours, if you feel her chest rest gently on you, this is a deeper emotional moment. Watch her breathing. If it slows down and she melts into your arms, that's not friendship. That's comfort, trust, and quiet desire. What should you do? Mirror her energy. Don't break the hug too early. Add a gentle touch to her lower back or give her a slow, secure squeeze. It sends a silent message. I see you, I'm here, I'm not rushing this. That one small move can shift everything between you. 4. The intimate hug. This is the most revealing hug of all. She rests her head on your shoulder or presses her face into your neck. Her breathing deepens. Maybe she strokes your back or runs her fingers lightly along your arm. This isn't just comfort, this is closeness. This is a woman saying she feels safe with you, and possibly more. Let the moment breathe. Hold her naturally without forcing it. Be still, be calm. If she stays in your arms, don't pull away. Look for subtle clues. Does she lean her head toward you? Does she hold you tighter or shift even closer? That's her unspoken way of saying she's ready for deeper intimacy. Don't miss that signal. Don't fumble with nervous energy. Confidence in these moments doesn't require words, just being present and letting her feel your grounded masculine energy. 5. The sneaky side hug. This hug might seem casual, but it carries layers of hidden meaning. It usually happens when a woman wraps one arm around you from the side, often while standing close or walking next to you. It might look innocent, even playful, but make no mistake, this type of hug can be a test. A side hug that's quick and distant may signal a lack of interest, but if she leans her body into yours, maintains contact, and stays close longer than necessary, she's inviting a subtle form of intimacy that feels safe yet flirtatious. To respond the right way, don't just stand there stiff. Lean in slightly, let your body mirror hers, and if the moment feels right, gently place your hand on her waist or lower back. This small but confident action shows presence without being pushy. If she laughs, leans further in, or touches you again afterward, you've passed the test and she's giving you green lights for more. Treat it as a playful invitation, but don't overplay your hand. Let the closeness grow naturally from there. 6. The surprise hug from behind. This type of hug catches you off guard. She wraps her arms around you from behind when you're not expecting it. It's spontaneous, playful, and deeply intimate. Most men miss the real meaning behind this move, brushing it off as a simple act of affection. But in reality, it's a strong signal of emotional comfort and attraction. When a woman hugs you from behind, she's putting herself in a vulnerable position. It means she feels safe with you. She trusts you enough to let her guard down. Her chest presses against your back, her arms wrap around your torso or waist, and in that moment, she's seeking not just closeness, but connection. To respond properly, don't pull away or act surprised. Instead, gently place your hand over hers or turn slightly to acknowledge her. If the vibe is right, you can even lean back into the hug, letting your body language say, "I'm here with you." If she stays holding on, rests her head on your back, or sways with you slightly, she's inviting emotional intimacy. This is not the moment for jokes or awkwardness. This is your chance to show grounded masculine presence without saying a word. The next time a woman hugs you, don't treat it like it's nothing. That simple act could be filled with meaning. It might be her way of feeling you out, seeing if you're the kind of man who notices the little things, who can lead, connect, and understand without having to be told. If you learn to read these moments and respond with steady confidence, you'll never miss another opportunity again. Now tell me, what's the clearest sign of attraction you felt during a hug? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.